Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery. In BL tonight, first up, we got investment bank Mayberry Investments are trading in their shares. A buy here, a pretty large purchase, a connected party buying up 993,580 shares, happened very recently on June 2nd, 2021. Once you typically see Mayberry's earnings come out, their earnings reports, you tend to see this trend in the marketplace, whether it's directors, managers, etc., buying up shares in Mayberry Investments, one of the leading investment banks in Jamaica. Next up tonight, we got Access Financial Services, one of the largest microfinanciers in Jamaica, declaring a dividend here, and it's a nice one. The board of directors approved a dividend payable to all ordinary shareholders. The meeting was held very recently, June 3rd, 2021, and it's going to be Jamaican 20 cents per share. It's payable right around the corner next month, July 2nd, 2021. Now, Jamaican Teas Ltd, stock price really moving up to the north there, trading in shares in this case here by an insider selling, a director actually selling a very small amount of shares. We've been carrying a lot of buys or on the buy side by directors, managers, probably 500,000 million shares or large trades. In this case, a very small trade by a director selling a total of 25,000 shares and change during the period June 1 to June 2nd, 2021 in Jamaican Teas. Now, in overseas markets, US markets, well-known hedge fund manager Bill Ackman with his SPAC here, special purpose acquisition company. There's also many other names out there in terms of acquisition rights companies and so forth. We're going to talk about that. Agreeing and looking to buy here. The deal should close by the end of this month, June 22nd to be exact, but $4 billion deal with Universal Music for about 10% of the company through his SPAC. Now, this values Universal Music at approximately $40 billion. He claims or gives his opinion, as he usually does as a hedge fund manager, that he's getting this at a discount and a great deal and price. Now, his SPAC is called Pershing Square Taunton Holdings. Let's hope we got that right. Now, Vivendi, the French media company, owns about 80% of Universal Music overall. They got to go into that shareholder meeting, but most likely this will get done or a done deal. Nothing is guaranteed though in the markets. Now, last up tonight, commodities markets, big oil, talk about surging. Don't sleep on that one. Whenever you sleep on one of these asset classes in the markets, the price tend to goes up, just like the Dow Jones, well over 34,000 points. Now, big oil, lots of analyst reports. Once an asset tends to go up, all the analysts just jump on it like a bandwagon. You'll notice that and see this in this news item. So all the analysts are coming out now and saying, look, we're calling oil at 80 bucks. We're calling oil at 100 US. So Bank of America has come out and said, we like to see oil at 100 US, well-known Bank of America. So oil is now settling at US 70 to 71. It's up over, 40% year to date from some lows, 50% year over year and so forth. But a lot of analysts releasing reports to see 80, that's not too far away. That's only 10, 15% away from where we are now. Happy Friday, have a great weekend. This is Business Live, and I'm Mark Croskery.